shoulder right. Students always keep on the right side. Up here, let's move over. Right shoulder right, go back over. Just been here with Pierre driving school, and this channel we do everything about driving. So if you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon, so each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. All right, so we're doing driving lesson here in Brooklyn. We are based in out of New York and Brooklyn, but we serve the entire New York area. Regular driving lessons with a little bit advanced skills. You know, as I'm going through, we give you pointers and observations of things thereof and things that to do while we're driving on by ourselves, and as you building up skills. Dropping the speed here because there's a speed camera right over here. Some part of New York City, they got a speed camera that take care of business. So you have to be within the speed, otherwise you'll get hit with a speeding ticket, of which we do not need. Yeah, this lesson is a bit advanced, as if you were driving on the regular, you know, and just still you have to pay out for certain stuff. You have to look out, in other words, for certain stuff. Anything you guys want us to cover in particular, put in the comment below. That's where we have most of our video idea coming from. So if you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification squad, so each time we drop a video, you personally can be notified. If you personally want me to cover something here for you, put in the comment below. Any thoughts or concern, anything that you're struggling with, other people may be struggling with it as well, we're gonna answer you in a video format. As in the channel, he posted every 3 days a week, every Monday, Wednesdays and Friday, from 6 p.m. New York time. And we answer questions every day in the morning that you guys ask, because you have a lesson here every day that started at 6 a.m. We answer those videos and those questions. We answer the question in those early morning videos. Okay? See, I picked up a little bit because out of the car on the right would have go ahead and go over to the right to clear the park thing. Then to avoid trouble, I picked up a little bit of speed, completely take the car out of business. Because if I fall back, you're gonna think you have a chance to pull up, then that can make my life a little bit difficult. I could have done two things: either fall back or pick up some speed. I choose to pick up some speed. As you, like I said, the system is advanced. If you guys notice that as you have with one hand, get comfortable. As you grow, you get to pick up some skills, then you get to do certain stuff, however. But as a student, you always want both hands on the steering wheel, okay? Just want to make sure I share that. So you can get in the habit until you pass your road test. Taking the left turn, you have this traffic light. Could have made it in about a second. Cross traffic has the right of way. We're gonna pull in the middle, let the traffic on your block clear for the purpose of the road test. In real life, you can do whatever you want, but that's the best way to do to let it clear, because sometimes you think you may judge the traffic wrong. Some people and you get in trouble. We don't need that, okay? See here we do the right thing. I could have made the turn, but I'm not. I'm gonna do the right thing. Is the ambulance moving vehicle? We fall back. Okay, go in. It's clear. Continue to go. Covering the brakes, see the humans are crossing. Right, folks, there you have it. I'm here to my student, okay? Anything you guys want me to cover in particular, put in the comment below. It's been with Pierre Paul's Driving School. If we met for the first time when you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification scratch so each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Until then, keep practicing. It's been with Pierre Paul's Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye.